Hello students. We have completed the first 3 chapters successfully. The next chapter that we will be doing is chapter number 4, negative sentences. So let us start. A negative sentence is a sentence which has no or not in it. Means any sentence that has these two words, no or not in it, are negative sentences. For example, I was not tired. He does not have an umbrella. I have no money. She had no idea. So all of these 4 sentences are having these two words, not and no. So these sentences are negative sentences. Okay? Now you must be wondering, if you will be given some sentences other than these to convert into a negative sentence, how would you do it? So for doing that, for converting the sentences into a negative sentence, we need to follow some rules. Here are some rules. Before starting that, let us revise once again. The sentences having the words no or not are negative sentences. Okay? Now rules for conversion. Rule number 1. If we have sentences in which verbs like am, is, are, was and were are present, we will add the word not just after the verb to convert it into a negative sentence. Once again, if we want to convert a sentence into a negative sentence, you need to first check which verb is present there in the sentence, and you will add the word not just after the verb. For example, if your question is, I am glad. If your question is, I am glad, am is the verb present in the sentence, you will add not just after the verb to make it a negative one. So the question was, I am glad. Now your answer is, I am not glad. I hope this is clear. Rule number 2. If we have sentences with verbs like have, has and had, then what are we supposed to do? If we have the word have in our sentence, we will change it to do not have. If we have has in our sentence, we will change it to does not have. And if we have the word had in our sentence, we will change it to did not have. These are a few rules that you need to remember. Okay? I have a few examples to make the concept clear. Here are the examples. Number 1. I have a pen. Here we have the verb have. So according to the rule, we know that we have to change have into do not have. So our answer will be, I do not have a pen. Second one, she has a pen. Here we have has, the verb has. According to the rule, we have to change has to does not have. So our answer will be, she does not have a pen. Example number 3 for the second rule. He had a pen. Here the verb is had. And according to the rule, we have to change had to did not have. Okay. So our answer will be, he did not have a pen. So once again, let us revise. Have changes to do not have. Has changes to does not have. And had changes to did not have. I hope the second rule is clear. Rule number 3. If we have verbs with 2 or more words in a particular sentence, in the same sentence, if we have 2 or more words as verbs in that sentence, we are supposed to add the word not just after the first word. Okay, if there are 2 words, we are supposed to add not just after the first word. For example, if our question is, we can lift the bag. We can lift the bag. Here the word can is a verb and lift is also a verb. So according to the rule, what are we supposed to do? We have to add the word not just after the first word. We have to add the word not just after the first word. That means our answer will be, we cannot lift the bag. Okay? Our question was, we can lift the bag. The answer is now, we cannot lift the bag. Now I hope all of these 3 rules are clear to you. Just have a look. Thank you.